Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, a lot of things have happened. First of all, Bitcoin falling under 87,000 spooked the entire crypto market, and that's why majority of the altcoins have experienced an outflow of cash. But they're still trying to hold on to the market, as there are some tokens which are down 10%, but majority of the larger altcoins are only down about 3 to 4%. As you can see, Bitcoin is struggling a little bit to ensure that it's able to stay over 88,000, but other tokens which have been hit even harder is XRP. That's the largest beating, because you can see there was a very good news that came out, which is the SEC finally dropped the case. With that, the news was obviously going to be impacting a sell on news event, and that's exactly what we're experiencing currently after a little bit of a rally that was experienced from the entire market. At the same time, if you look at Dogecoin, you can see that Dogecoin has been optimizing the hope of majority of the traders, and the reason for this is obviously the new reserve that was built. At the same time, the market has not shown a crazy gain ever since the announcement, so that's why the consolidation is strong, as the buying power is trying to ensure that the market stays positive. Now Bitcoin may slip below 80,000 as Trump spooks the risk traders. Riskier traders are always the one that make the market more volatile, but if they decide to sit out, it's obviously going to be impacting the market in a negative way. Now before we get into more details of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, especially turn on your notification so you can stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. At the same time, drop a like on it. Let's go for a like goal of 200. Now if we smash that, I promise I'm gonna do something special in the next 24 hours. Now let's look at the price action of Dogecoin. Why is Dogecoin so important currently? There's one reason. Usually when the retail investors make a return, I've mentioned this before, the first place they go is meme coins, and that's exactly what was experienced by the entire crypto market recently, as the meme coins were leading the charge yesterday. As you can see, the trading volume was up about 25%, while the market cap is up about 10%. And you can see that majority of the large coins, which is Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe, are up about 10%. And if you look at the other ones as well, they're up quite a significant amount. And this gives you perspective that as they are increasing, the money, once the profit taking takes place, is going to flow into larger caps and make sure that Bitcoin keeps climbing to newer highs. But this is definitely impacting the market. Bitcoin risk falling below 80,000 as the rising wedgie pattern signals a bearish breakdown. Trump's 25% auto tariff has spooked the global markets, reducing the risk anticipation across assets. Weakening technicals and micro headwinds suggest growing downside pressure on Bitcoin. And as Bitcoin is struggling to stay over 88,000, there's definitely a little bit of panic selling that could take over the market, especially before 2nd of April. 2nd of April, when the tariffs are going to be going live, there is going to be a very significant impact on the stock market and the crypto market, making it extremely volatile. There's two things that you will have to pay attention to. First of all, if Bitcoin does fall under 80,000, there might be a lot of traders which are going to get liquidated. I mean, if you just look at the Bitcoin open interest, it's definitely seen a little bit of a sell-off in the last 24 hours, down about 3%. And you can see that the liquidations is actually quite high as well, with the long traders losing about $32 million. Why is this a big deal? Because the riskier assets are going to be our biggest way or to get away from this headwind that we are on. Now, these riskier traders, why are they so important? They're going to make the market more volatile, and they're going to be bringing in more long positions. And you can see that the long to the short ratio currently is actually just in a little bit of favor of long traders. But if we're able to get over 60%, there will be more in books of Bitcoin to actually show more potential. Now, Rubble, which is a platform similar to YouTube, the CEO says incoming crypto wallet will monetize creators better than most advertisers. Now, they're trying to get their own crypto wallet done as much as possible, and at the same time, there is a lot of things which are happening. First of all, there is a lot of different companies such as GameStop, as you can see, which are raising a lot of money to ensure that they're able to invest in crypto. And then there is platforms like this which are also getting involved with the crypto market. Top analysts says massive Dogecoin pump looming amid the MCD breakout targets $1. Currently, the Dogecoin market is holding very strong. If we see that Bitcoin is able to show a potential very quick growth, as you can see that precious metals are doing very well in the last 24 hours. If crypto market does something similar, let me tell you one thing, that Dogecoin will be leading the charge by quite a margin. And at the same time, booming to launch the state-issued crypto stablecoin. This is huge because stablecoins are going to be the next move for the entire crypto market, and seeing even states, different states of America, which are starting to get involved with crypto and especially releasing their own stablecoin, you know there's going to be a lot of profit, and at the same time there's going to be more things happening with crypto from the whole country. The total capital allocated to XRP futures contracts has surged 36% just in the 2 weeks, from 2.2 billion to about 2.9 billion. And the super trend indicator suggests that Dogecoin could enter a bullish phase upon breaking the 21 cents resistance. Interactive brokers expand the crypto offering with some other tokens, including Dogecoin, and Dogecoin targets 31 cents as bulls push for 20 cents breakout. Currently, Dogecoin is sitting on a very important stage. If we talk about the overall idea in terms of what direction it will be heading, it's going to be very heavily dependent on what Bitcoin is going to do, but currently it is sitting on a really big time bomb. And South Korean court halts Upbit's 3-month business restrictions. Upbit challenges South Korea's financial or FIU over the penalties related to the unregistered overseas exchange and KYC violation. And another platform which is taking a little bit of a hard time. And analysts predict 55% Dogecoin rally if the just breaks over 20 cents, and 55% would put it over to about 32 cents. And Tether user base hits of 400 million, up 14% since October 2024. So you can see that there's a lot of countries around the world, and at the same time a lot of companies which are starting to understand that stablecoins could be the fastest way to get their transactions completed when it comes to crypto. And PayHound, simplifying crypto transactions for iGaming. If it gets involved with the gaming industry, we got GTA 6 coming up. If some sort of crypto integration happens, we're going to be seeing some good stuff. And Canada's global economics position at a risk without crypto reforms. They need to get involved with crypto, as majority of the countries around the world are trying to get their reserves up and running. Currently, we are in a very good position. If you want to invest in crypto, go ahead. Everything I said today is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. So if you're going to be investing in anything, just make sure you do your own research. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.